Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro 2 between 16 to 86, the season 115. Strength on the 4th 2012 from the 11th 2016. Has an FA20 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the FA20 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory mega tyre. Left rear 16-inch factory mega tyre. Rear boot lid no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory mega tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front 16-inch factory mega tyre. Front door card. Right front master switch. And instrument cluster. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel.